care about all this birthday nonsense. And I don't care about him either. What were you thinking? Did you think throwing a birthday party for me would help? I still think Peter's the wrong guy for you.
But I love him. How can you be so mean? I hate you.
Christine, wait. How could you be so mean?
Because I don't think you two belong together. Isn't that reason enough?
No, it's not.
Yeah, but you're wrong for her. I know my sister.
Maybe, but it's not your choice. Makes sense, don't it? I bet you feel like a jerk.